another episode. In today's episode, we have a technical analysis on Siacoin here. Currently down about 5.5% for the day, just below 2 cents. But we're looking at the Satoshi value, folks. Down about 3% for the day, sitting at 233 Satoshis. But really quick though, folks, before we do that, let's go ahead and run through the market. Market cap is sitting at 382 billion. Today's volume is 21.1 billion. Bitcoin dominance sitting at 37.1. It is a bloody day in crypto, folks. Bitcoin struggling to break above 9,000. And since then, we've kind of, I believe we came as low as 8,150. We're going to look at some price action really quick. Bitcoin down about 2%, sitting at 8,300. Ethereum down 1, sitting at 700. Ripple down 0.13, sitting at 70 cents. This came down to as low as 67, I believe. EOS down 2, sitting at $12. Litecoin down 1, sitting at 138. Cardano down 3, sitting at 25. Lumen's down 5, sitting at 33. IOTA down 5, sitting just below $2. Tron up about almost 4, sitting at 7 cents. We're the big winners today. Paypex up 64, IX up 31, Zcash up 7, Basic Attention Token up 4, Stratus up 3, Polymath up almost 2. Big losers. Populous down 13, Eternity down 9, Gipto down 9, Knowles down 9, Zilliqa, however you say that, Zilliqa down almost 9. And 0x down about 8.5. But you folks came here for some Siacoin. Market cap is sitting at 666 million. Today's volume is 18.1 million. Circulating supply 34 billion. Major exchanges here, folks: Upbit, FX, Bittrex, Poloniex, Bittrex again, and hit BTC. Let's go ahead and head over to the chart. That's what you folks came here for. So BTC to USD on the daily, folks. Coinbase is the broker. Trading views the platform. Aggressive downtrend we're in here. Lower high. Expecting price to actually come down to about 7,700 and find support. As you can tell, momentum still heading towards the downside. We were heading towards the upside a little bit, however, we formed another lower high, and now it looks like we're heading back towards the downside. So expect BTC to fall down to about 7,700. Just my personal opinion, not a financial advisor. You guys already know. Ethereum here still respecting our uptrend, however, we did form a lower high here. This high failed to beat this high, and this high failed to beat this high. So what I'm actually waiting for here on Ethereum is the break and close above 730 on the daily. Once we get the break and close above 730 on the daily, Ethereum should be good to go, but momentum's still heading towards the downside. So I'm actually expecting Ethereum to come down to about $600 here, currently sitting at 700. But again, folks, just my personal opinion, not a financial advisor. You already know. And Litecoin here also formed a lower high. We failed to break 150. Since then, we've kind of been retracing. We came as low as about 135. But I'm actually expecting Litecoin to fall down to about 120. And once we get to this 120 level, I feel like we'll have a nice little bounce towards the upside. And that should be officially the beginning of our uptrend. Who knows? Crypto's been crazy this year. This bear market is just lasting way longer than I expected. But that's all right. That just means all these coins are on sale. And it just gives us more time to stack on our fiat before we, unload and add to all these bags. But Litecoin, folks, wait for the drop to about 120. And then a soft bounce towards the upside. But you folks came here for some SIA, BTC technical analysis. Trading views the platform we're looking at, folks. And Bittrex is the broker. So we were stuck in this nice little descending wedge. Came out of that, broke out. Since then, we've been in a nice little uptrend. And now we're stuck in this nice little bearish parallel channel. Let's go ahead and zoom out a little bit, or zoom in, sorry. From the nice little double bottom here, price came back down to about 250 Satoshi to test for support. Not once, but twice. And it looks like we're testing it again. But momentum, heading towards the downside still. Does look like we've slowed down, however. Let's go ahead and switch over to the 4 hour, see what the 4 hour is showing us. So last time we were at this price, we did a little bit of consolidating. Came up, down, up, down, up, down. Kind of doing the same thing here. So, but what I'm waiting for, folks, is because does look like we potentially have a double bottom forming here. Bottom 1, bottom 2. Momentum starting to head towards the upside. Bouncing not only off our horizontal support, but also off our dynamic support, which is nice. So I'll probably be taking a small entry here after this video. And again, I'll be taking an entry here once we break and close above 245 Satoshis on the 4 hour. Once we break and close above 245 Satoshis on the 4 hour, I believe Siacoin should be good to go. Respecting this channel very nicely here. Just, kind of consolidating. So just waiting. So what this is going to do actually is we're not only going to break out of our consolidation zone, But we're also going to be breaking out of our bearish parallel channel. So that's what I'm waiting for, folks, is the break and close above 245 on the 4-hour. Once we get the break and close above 245, Siacoin should be good to go. But where do I see this coin going in 2018, guys? Let me go ahead and zoom out a little bit. Currently sitting at about 25 Satoshis. I think this coin could easily come back up to its all-time highs. At least it's 2018 all-time highs, not our 2017. I'm looking at 2018. Our 2018 all-time high at about 671 Satoshis, but I'm actually going to put its target here at about 700. That's my first target, and then my second target is actually going to be its actual all-time high here at about 850 Satoshis. But again, folks, this is just my personal opinion, not a financial advisor. But it's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to re-steam, upvote, keep commenting down below what kind of coins you guys are trying to see. If you guys are on YouTube, make sure you guys are subscribing, have post notifications turned on. I do post a new video every single day. Other than that, guys, thanks for watching. Take it easy. Peace.